An exclusive leak about the Honda CB1000's existence has reached Young Machine. We assumed the bike would be a heritage model based on the CB1000 Hornet based on its name and the fact that it is a Japanese domestic model exclusively, but we now have evidence to confirm this theory. According to reports, it is being evaluated for a domestic release in 2025 as the CB1000 300 Super 4 with round headlights replacement. This is the most recent news on CB1000's existence was only mentioned by Young Machine. The first information we had was still Spartan, including the model designation CB1000 and the knowledge that it was a homegrown model made in the Kumamoto facility. However, we believe that this is a historical model based on the CB1000 Hornet because of the engine displacement and the straightforward designation without a mark like RS. Following that, tidbits of information like the addition of an E-clutch began to leak, but this time we were able to get information from a highly trustworthy source that supported our theories. It is true that the CB100000 model was created using the CB1000 Hornet platform as a basis. The CB1000 Hornet, a street fighter with a water-cooled inline four-cylinder engine based on the SC77 CBR 1000R mounted on a newly designed steel frame, made its debut at the Milan show last fall. It is anticipated to be a model that strikes a good balance between performance and cost. The CB1000 will be created with this engine and body. The style is what's intriguing. The 2020 CBF concept model will serve as the foundation for the CB1000, but it doesn't appear like this is the path they're taking. Rumor has it that the CB100000 will feature round headlamps but a more contemporary design. In other words, it will be an improvement over the CB1300 Super 4. He will not adopt the current fad for neoclassicism. Establishing a fourth-generation Japanese CB appears to be the plan. As a continuation of the CB7504 1969, the CB750F 1979, and the CB1000 Super 4 1992, Japan's large CBS had already begun to take shape in their respective periods. The CB1000 was intended to be Honda's flagship domestic model going forward. The final model, which is expected to be released concurrently with the CB100000, would likely bring an end to the Big One lineage that has persisted since 1992.